How to log in into your Spotify account if you forgot your password. You can log in into your Spotify account without your password. How you will do it? Just open your Spotify account, just click on login. When you click on login, you can see there is option login without password. Simply click on login without password. When you click on this, just enter your email or username, as you already have an email or username. So just write your email and simply click on get link. When you click on get link, it will asking you open your email. Simply click on open email and simply click on this Spotify email. When you click on this, you can see it's asking you go to Spotify. Simply click on go to Spotify, and here you go. Just simply click on start listening, and you are on your Spotify account. So you don't need your password to log into Spotify. Just you have to remember your email address. Just put your email address, and from your email address directly log into your Spotify without any password.